Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to use your bridal satin to design fascinator. You need your bridal satin or doll face. You need your rose, your E8000 or your hook gum. You need your feathers, your scissors, your needle and thread. Take your bridal satin and your needle, fold the mouth of the satin inside, then fold it into two again. Now run your stitches down to the end. And when you reach the end, you fold it inside again into two. Fold it like this. Then do the hemming to the end. Now, see, what we are going to do is to join the design on top of our fascinator. You can use your E8000 or your wax candle. Put it at the back of it. Look at the way I'm putting it. Then take your fascinator cup, the more you want the pleating to form, be drawing it. Then we are going to use our feather. Put your feather. Feather on it. I use the same thing to tack it down so that it will not remove. Get your rose. Get your rose and put it in the middle. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.